Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 12 Prepare Statistics Analysis Part A. So if you want to complete my MylTLab courses Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step is step number one. So step number one is start Excel, download and open the downloaded file name Excel chapter 12, prepare statistics analysis and creator has automatically added you last time to the beginning of the file name and save the file location where you are storing your file. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel chapter 12 prepare statistics analysis. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the random sample worksheets use the rand functions to generate the 34 random value. Start your calculation in cell B3 and copy the function to B36 and short dates settings order and select the range A3 to A12 and copy the selected value, paste E3 to E12 on the random sample worksheets. So go to the random sample worksheets and next is use the random function to generate the 34 random value. Start your calculations in cell B3 and copy the function down to B36. So insert the rand function. So type is equal to and type the rand function and press enter. So insert the rand function and start your calculation B3 and copy the function down through B36. So copy the function B3 to B36. Copy the function in cell B36. Next is sort the data and ascending order. So sort the data and ascending order. So go to the ascending order. Sort the ascending order. So question number and next is select the range A3 to A12. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the ranges A3 to A12 and copy the selected value. So go to the home tabs, go to the clipboard groups and click the copy the function and selected the value, paste in cell E3 to E12. So E3 to E12 and paste the value. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is negative. So negative to the basic stats worksheets and use the data provided in column C to calculate the mean, median and mode. Place the mean calculation in cell G2, the median in cell G3 and the mode in cell G4 on the basic stat worksheets. So go to the basic stat worksheets and next is use the Data provided in column C. Calculate the minimum, mean, median, and mode function and place the mean calculation to cell G2 in the median in cell G3, the mode in cell G4. So select the mean and mean is average function. So type is equal to and type the average functions average function and range is quantity sold column C2 to C35 C2 to C35 and close bracket and press enter. So result is 13.38. Next is mean and median function. So next is median. So type is equal to and type the median functions and range is quantity sold column C2 to C35 C2 to C35 and close bracket and press enter. So value is 13 and next is mode. So type is equal to and type the mode mode function and range is quantity sold column C2 to C35 and close bracket and press enter. So median and mode function G2 the median and G3 and the mode in cell G4. So cell is G4. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is using the data on the basic stat worksheets and in column G, calculate the range, variance, and standard deviation of the random sample data and set in order to understand how the data is distributed and place the minimum in, in a G6, the maximum in cell G7, and the range in G9 to sample variation in G10 and the sample standard deviation in G11 using the data data on the basic stat worksheets. So data on the basic stat worksheets and next is in column G to calculate the range, variance and standard deviation of the random sample data set in order to understand how the data is distributed and place the minimum in G6. So select the minimum in cell G6, type is equal to and type the minimum and range is standard column C2 to C35. Range is C2 to C35 and close bracket and press enter. So result is minimum is 3 and next is G6 and G7. G7 is maximum function in cell C2 to C35 in cell G7. In cell G7 is the maximum function. So select the maximum function, type is equal to and type the max function in cell quantity sold is C2 to C35 and to close bracket and press enter. So question number 4 is G6 and G7 and G9 is the very simple variance function. So G9 is sample variance function and the G9 is type is equal to and range is G7 minus G7 G7 minus G6 and press centers. And next is G10 as the variance and standard variation function. So G10 is variance function type is equal to and type the variance function in C2 to C35. C2 to C35 and close bracket and press enters. Next is and the simple standard deviation in cell G11. So sample standard deviation in cell G11. So select the cell G11 and type is equal to and the sample standard deviation type is equal to and type the stat function stat functions and range is C2 to C35 2 to C35 and close bracket and press enters. So result is 4.24. So question number 4 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignments and your exam.